Checking out this crimping tool from UBeesize. So this one has the hydraulic crimping tool, can do 10 tons. This one is great for battery cables, those kind of solid core stranded cables. It comes with 12 or 9 of these die sets, so that the jaws here are going to line up and they're just magnetized in there. Pretty easy to swap them out. And then just kind of set them back into place and they snap right in. So you can just choose the set you're going to need for what you're working on. Set it down. It's going to start to crimp. Once you've accomplished your crimp there, you just let it go and it lets go. Really easy tool. Everything's compact in this box. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.